go.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Roussey. I am your child's 10th grade BSI Math, which ties into his geometry. But I will also cover some algebra and fortify that for his geometry. Some things you need to know. This is how you contact me. rousseyk@dunellenschools.org. We will cover a variety of topics. These are just the topics for geometry. But when we are doing some of these topics, they need to be able to solve equations or write things from English to math. So we will review some topics from algebra. I have several online resources. One is the book, HMH. I also have IXL and Delta Math. I will tend to assign things from IXL and Delta Math and leave the HMH to the geometry teacher. But I have these three resources on top of Google, where we have Google Meet, we have Google Classroom, where I post all the assignments, and I will use Google Forms for tests and quizzes. We will have three categories. Category 1, practice. Practice could be classwork, homework, class participation, working with me on a problem, such as this was stuff we did for the algebra class. And over here is some drill and practice for the geometry class. So participating in class is very important. That is part of this practice percentage, which means you have to come to class. Next are quizzes, and after that, tests and projects. Usually I have a project every marking period. We'll see how the virtual works, but we'll only be virtual, hopefully, one marking period. When I do the quizzes and tests, it will more than likely be on Google Forms. Again, it will be marked in Google Classroom. My expectations. I expect them to come to class on time, even if it is virtual. I expect them to have a notebook. I expect them to have a pencil right there next to them to work out problems, to take notes, as if they were in a regular classroom, because it is a regular classroom, even though it's virtual. I teach, I expect them to take notes. I give homework and classwork. I expect them to finish it on time at the due date. I will accept things late sometimes, and sometimes I won't. This is their perseverance. This is their self-reliant. They need to, if they need to, look at videos. Email me, ask me for help. I am available for help. All they have to do is email me, and I will set up another Google Meet and assist them in doing it. That comes down to the last one, ask for help. If you can't figure it out through your videos, through the notes you have taken, you need to then ask for help. You should first try your notes and videos before you come to me. In class, ask for help. Ask for help when you're in your geometry and are stuck. You need to hear it a different way. That's my job. That comes down to the main rule for the class, respect. If you respect yourself, you'll want to learn. If you respect me, you'll ask me politely. You'll be respectful in class. You'll be respectful to your classmates. Sorry about that interruption, but that is the virtual world for us. But it still comes down to respect. Interruptions happen, things happen, but you should have respect for yourself, your teacher, your classroom, and things will go smoothly this year. Again, when you have questions or problems, there is my email. If your child is going to be out for some reason or there's a problem with the internet, use your phone, send me an email telling me what the problem is. I know virtual can be very difficult at times, and there are things, life gets in the way of our plans. If you have any questions, email me. Thank you.